In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks for remembering the names of the drugs and their mechanisms of actions. So this video might help you to understand some drugs, how to remember the names and their mechanism action in some easy ways. So I'll take first example of drugs called as factor 10A inhibitors. Factor 10A inhibitors are anticoagulant drugs. Now first I'll tell you the examples of these drugs and then we'll understand how to remember them. The first example is rivaroxaban. The first example is rivaroxaban. Second example is apixaban. Third example is edoxaban. Now read this word carefully and you will understand or find some similarity in these three words. So XA is common in these three words. Ban is common in these three words. So what we can do is we can remember this XA for factor 10A and ban for inhibitors. So now let's understand and read it again. Rivaroxaban, apixaban, edoxaban. Now it is very easy for us to remember the names of the drugs because factor 10A inhibitor. Factor 10A inhibitor. So you can remember XA for factor 10A and ban for inhibitors. So the examples of factor 10A inhibitors are rivaroxaban, apixaban and edoxaban. So this is one example to remember the names of the drug in an easy way. Now the second example that I will take in this video is about, there is a drug known as albumopan. Now this albumopan drugs, this drug is used as a short-term therapy for patients who undergo gastrointestinal surgery. So to improve the recovery of intestine after the GI surgery, this drug is used for short-term purpose. Now how do I remember the name of this drug? So I have to divide the whole word into some alphabets. So the first alphabet I am going to divide is A, then second alphabet I am going to divide is I, the third is M, then OP and then AND. So now to remember the mechanism of action of albumopan, it's an intestinal mu opioid receptor antagonist. So what did I do? So A for and, I for intestinal, M for mu, OP for opioid receptors and for antagonist. So this is the mechanism of albumopan. So in short, albumopan is an intestinal mu receptor antagonist. So the mechanism is hidden in the name itself. So this can help you to understand the mechanism and remember the name of the drug. Thank you.